to change birthday on Roblox. To change your birth date on your Roblox application, first of all, open any browser you have in your device and on the searching bar, search for Roblox and make sure that you have logged into your Roblox account. Once it is open, go to the settings and then there you will see an option of birthday. Now, right click on the screen, then your pop-up will be seen. From there, select Inspect. Now, select the birthday and choose the code where birthday actually is. From there, extend the code and delete that code. Now, one code is on the description. Copy that code and paste it over here. Once you paste here, you can easily change your birth date on your Roblox account. You need to copy this code and replace it with the existing code. Once you do that, you are good to go. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then please do not forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.